There are certain countries that are considered tax-free countries. This means that residents are not deducted for income tax, dividend tax, or capital gain taxes. Tax-free countries in the world, spread betting tax-free countries, are the Bahamas, United Arab Emirates, Brunei, Monaco, Turks and Caicos, the British Virgin Islands, Oman, Vanuatu, and the list of tax-free countries in the world can be changed in the distant future. This list is not only for Forex trading, but those countries are also tax-free business countries, any business. Do not forget to subscribe. Please take a minute and look at a whiteboard for a moment. Let's learn some more stuff.
Let us see more about tax-free countries or low tax-free countries. The Bahamas. The Bahamas are a tax-free country. Residents are not required to pay income tax. The government receives its funds from tourism as well as its offshore industries. Regardless of where the residents earn their income, they are not required to pay income tax. The application fee for Bahamian residents is renewable each year for $1,000. There are options for permanent residents, such as real estate investments, of $250,000. It is also important to note the many benefits of the Bahamian passport, which will allow extensive visa-free access. United Arab Emirates. Is Saudi Arabia a tax-free country? No, but there is one Arabic country, the United Arab Emirates, also known as the UAE, which does not charge personal income or corporate taxes. Obtaining a residency visa in the UAE is fairly easy. Once a foreign-owned company has been established in one of their free trade areas, a residency visa is issued. Offshore companies can be also set up in the cities of Ajman, Dubai, and Ras Al Khaimah. In addition to this, foreigners can also own real estate in Dubai's projects. Brunei. Brunei is one of the tax-free trading countries. Brunei is an island in the country of Borneo. There are excellent banking options in Brunei and multiple options for residents. Monaco. Monaco is a tax-free country. Monaco is located on the French Riviera. Monaco does not impose income tax on its residents. Monaco can be reached by train, car, helicopter, or boat. There is currently no airport in Monaco. Receiving a residency in Monaco is simple and convenient. Turks and Caicos. Turks and Caicos are tax-free and located southeast of the Bahamas. Turks and Caicos is a part of the British Overseas Territory. Turks and Caicos is unique as they provide quick permits to residents that spend a minimum of $300,000 building a new home or remodeling an existing home on the island. Other ways to receive resident permits include investing $700,000 into a company with a majority of local owners. Oman. Oman is a country located in the Middle East. They do not tax personal income. Permits for residency are distributed on a limited basis. The main strategies for residency permits are employment or a family member that lives in Oman. A sponsor and government official must sign a non-objection certificate for the applicant before the applicant process can begin. British Virgin Islands. The British Virgin Islands are home to many entrepreneurs that have obtained residency in the BVI to avoid high taxes in other countries. In order to obtain a residency permit for the BVI, applicants need to provide bank statements as well as a $1,000 bond. Vanuatu. Vanuatu is one of the only countries to allow residency through a donation. Investing $89,000 will permit you a one-year visa. This visa is renewed on an annual basis. Larger investments and donations allow you residency for anywhere from 3 to 15 years. The offshore financial center is also well established. The following countries are low-tax countries. Low-tax countries charge tax on the basis of territory. These countries do not have CFC laws. The following countries only tax for income received inside of their own borders. Overseas income is not taxed for these countries. It is important to always use caution when remitting money. This process may be treated differently and subject to local income tax. The tax treatments in the following countries are favorable and preferable compared to most countries. Belize. Belize has reasonable offshore laws and other benefits, such as an English-speaking nation. Belize used to have an official program for citizenship. This program has been changed and residency is now permissible with an investment. Georgia. The country of Georgia does not require companies to pay corporate tax until the profits of the company have been distributed. Therefore, if profits are reinvested or retained, taxes are not mandated. The immigration process to the nation is hassle-free. Citizens of 94 countries around the globe can live in Georgia for 1 year without a visa. Is Hong Kong a tax-free country? No, Hong Kong is not a tax-free country, but it is a low-tax country. Hong Kong is a republic of China, with countless futuristic benefits and career opportunities. However, opening a bank account has become increasingly difficult, as many people around the world want to reside in the city. Residency permits in Hong Kong are more difficult to obtain than other places in the world. Applicants have to spend a large amount of time in the city and are connected. Malta. Malta is an island located in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea. Digital nomads are the most common type of foreign resident in Malta, as the island is a great home base for Europe. Costa Rica. Costa Rica is hands down one of the most popular South American vacation spots for Americans. The Costa Rican government allows residency permits for individuals that can prove a $2,500 monthly income source. 2-year visas are also available if individuals can prove $60,000 in saved income. Retiree visas are granted upon a $1,000 minimum income check. If an investment of $200,000 is made in real estate, a residency permit is also granted. Singapore. Singapore has one of the most advanced economies in Asia. Taxes on company profits range from as low as 0% to 17%. A startup company in Singapore will not be expected to pay anything for their first 3 years. There are currently no taxes on corporate profits under $150,000. Countless co-working spaces and entrepreneurs have expanded in the area. An investment of $4 million will allow temporary residence in Singapore. Investment visas are treated differently than normal visas. Interest, foreign profits, and capital gains are not taxable in Singapore. Thailand. Thailand is one of the most popular vacation destinations as a result of inexpensive accommodations. Thailand does not have any CFC laws. The cost of living in Thailand is inexpensive and has been a popular choice for American expats. Temporary residents qualify for permanent residency in Thailand after 5 years. There are options for residency through the Thailand Elite Visa and Igloo program.